Hi friends, welcome to Tutorials Point. In this video, we will be understanding quality management and in that management review. These are all the various topics that we would be covering. KPI definition, KPI means to say key performance indicator, current status, and what are all the corrective actions that are required to get back to the track. KPI, for very much for the strategy we need to have it, and for the effectiveness of this particular quality management system also we need to have the KPIs. Not only the effectiveness, even for the efficiency point of view also we need to have the KPIs so that the complete organization goes in a right path. Finally, to have various processes and to have a optimum control over these particular processes, we need to have a KPI, nothing but monitoring and the measurement system that we are having in our complete organization for the effective control over the entire quality management system. First, we need to understand the current status, where it has to be fair and it has to be transparent. So when it is fair, then all the people will respect that, and when we are doing a root cause on that and when we are doing a corrective action through various brainstorming and all, then we get a proper support from entire team members. It also needs to be transparent, because if it is not transparent, maybe there are some people who really do not understand or they do not visualize what is the target and where we are currently at that particular point of time. There can be a scorecard and it needs to be with the traffic signals like red, green and yellow. I can give you an example. If the productivity is a target of 90% and for some reason for the month of June it is 88%, then there should be a traffic light called as red. So everybody very clearly understand that particular value of productivity is not met a target of 90%, it is somehow at 88%. To compensate this particular gap of 2%, there is a action that is required based on the root cause of why exactly there was a gap of this particular 2%. From corrective action point of view, it has to be time bound. That means to say by what time this action is going to be done so that this particular gap, whatever that we are having, the 2% is not going to be there. Who will be responsible for that? Means who is the finally accountable person for that particular thing? Who is going to get the things done to get that particular action? What is the action that is really needed to address that particular gap? And what is the priority to take that particular action? Is it a low priority action or a high priority action? This needs to be very, very clear. When the priority is clear, then the action is going to be taken, gap is going to be reduced, and we can easily achieve our target, whatever that is mentioned in the scorecard. To conclude, we understood the importance of KPIs, how it makes sense in the scorecard, and whenever it is having a gap, how to address that particular gap in the scorecard. We understood all these things in this video. Thank you so much.